Statistics, which you have studied in class 9th, it's continuation of that statistics. Statistics includes the measure of central tendency, mean, median, and mode. Okay. But the difference is there it was ungrouped data. Okay, and here now we will restrict our this study to grouped data. Okay, grouped और ungrouped data में क्या difference है? जैसे ये डाटा दिया है एग्जाम्पल 1 का. ओके तो 1 minute. You can see in example 1, okay, marks obtained by students and number of students who got this marks, it is given. तो 10 marks कितने students ने obtain किए? 1 ने, 20 marks 1 ने, 36 3 ने, 40 4 ने. This way the data is given. ठीक है, ये है actually ungrouped data. अगर इसको हम एक class intervals में like if I make class intervals of 15 such that 10 to 25 क्लास इंटरवल में कितने स्टूडेंट्स लाई करेंगे? तो 10 कितने बच्चों को मिला है? 1 को. 20 कितने को मिला है? 1. तो 10 to 25 में आ जाएगा नंबर 2. ओके, सो here 10 to 25 will have number 2. okay, then 25 to 40 कितने स्टूडेंट्स को 25 से 40 के बीच में मार्क्स मिले हैं? 1 स्टूडेंट गॉट, ओके, 3 स्टूडेंट गॉट 36, ओके, एंड 4 स्टूडेंट्स गॉट 40. बट हियर ओनली 3 विल कम. जो नंबर यहां पर द नंबर विच इज हियर एंड हियर बोथ, मतलब 40 can be included in lower class interval also and upper class interval also. It is always included in upper class interval. Okay, so 40 यहाँ पे अब हम देखें जो हमने लास्ट जिस टेबल से हम बना रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो 40 has 4, ये किस में इंक्लूड होगा? नेक्स्ट वाले क्लास इंटरवल में. 40 to 55 में आएगा. तो 40 to 55 में क्या हो जाएगा? 4 plus 3. ओके, दिस वे 40 to 55, 4 plus 3 7, 55 to 70, 55 to 70, so this will be 6. okay, you can refer your book if you want. okay, similarly 70 to 85 will be 6 and 85 to 100 will be 6. okay, now जब ये अनग्रुप्ड डाटा है तो इसको हम क्या करेंगे? इन ये जो नंबर्स ऑब्टेन हुए हैं इनको सबको बोलते हैं xi. okay, these are all xi. and number of students who got this marks is fi. We'll make one table fi xi, a one column fi xi, and we'll multiply each xi with fi. This way 10 into 1 10, 20 into 1 20, 36 into 308, 40 into 4 160. then समीशन ऑफ fi xi, मतलब सब जितने भी fi xi ऑब्टेन हुए हैं इन सबको ऐड कर दो. this number we got, and mean is given by this formula xi equals to summation fi xi upon summation fi. okay, so summation fi xi is 1179 and summation fi is 30. मतलब sum of all frequencies is 30. so x bar is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi, that is equal to 59.3. okay, so this is actually this way we used to do in class 9th. now here we are going to study 3 methods. okay, so in class 10th for first topic is mean. For mean we'll be studying 3 methods and then we'll be studying mode and median. okay, so Hardik is saying voice is not clear. okay, so I am muting all of you. In case anybody has any problem, you can unmute me, unmute yourself and then you can say. okay, okay, so statistics. okay, first we are going to see mean. Mean has 3 methods. Here we'll be dealing with only grouped data. Okay. It has 3 methods. First is direct method. Next is assumed mean method. And next is step deviation method. Okay. So now first we are going to see direct method. Okay. First we are going to see direct method. Okay. For direct method जो हमको डाटा चाहिए वो चाहिए एक तो क्लास इंटरवल, ठीक है, एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी और नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. We are doing example 1 only by direct method, so we'll make this way. First 2 columns, these 2 things will be given in the question. Okay, so this is 10 to 25, then 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, and 85 to 90, 85 to 100, sorry. Okay, now frequencies corresponding to this will write. Okay. So this is 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Now class mark, next column, which ये तो question है. What I have written is actually question. In this I have not done anything yet. Now for solving I am doing by direct method. Okay. For solving I'll make 2 more columns. First is of class mark and next is FI XI. Class mark is actually XI. Number of students, this is frequency, this is FI. Okay. XI के लिए फॉर्मूला होता है अपर क्लास लिमिट प्लस लोअर क्लास लिमिट बाय 2. ओके, इसको बोलते हैं क्लास मार्क. क्लास मार्क इज अपर क्लास लिमिट प्लस लोअर क्लास लिमिट बाय 2. तो जैसे इफ आई सी इंटरवल 10 to 25, अपर क्लास लिमिट इज 25, लोअर इज 10, तो 25 प्लस 10 बाय 2, दैट इज 35 बाय 2. तो ये हो जाएगा 17.5. ओके. Similarly, we can fill all the 40 plus 25 by 2. So it will be 32.5. 55 plus 40 by 2, 47.5. 70 plus 55 by 2, 62.5. Then 85 plus 70 by 2, 77.5. Okay. And 100 plus 85 by 2, it will be 92.5. Okay. This is XI, this is FI. Next is finding FI XI, means 17.5 into 2. Okay, so it will be 35. Similarly, 32.5 into 3, it is 97.5. Then 47.5 into 7, that is 332.5. Then 62.5 into 6, that is equal to 375. Then 77.5 into 6 is 465. And 92.5 into 6 is 555. Okay. Now for direct method, okay, we have formula is what we are finding by direct method? Mean. Mean is denoted by X bar. Mean is given by summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi. Summation, don't be afraid of this sign. Actually some students think अरे ये क्या बहुत like ऐसा हाई फाई सा आ गया है. It has nothing actually. Summation Fi Xi means sum of this all things. Okay, sum of this all numbers is summation Fi Xi. Summation Fi Xi is sum of this all numbers. So when we will add this all numbers which I have circled, it will be 1860. Okay, summation Fi means sum of all these numbers. So summation Fi will be equal to 30. So now summation fi xi is equal to 1860. Summation fi is 30. When we will divide, we will get 62. This is how we do by direct method. Okay. So is direct method clear to everybody? If it is clear, just so when values of xi and fi, xi means class mark and fi means frequency are small, direct method is the convenient way. Okay. Now next method which we are going to discuss is assumed mean method. So we'll be doing same question by assumed mean method. Okay. So when numerical values of xi and fi are large, finding xi fi is very tedious, so we use assumed mean method. Okay. So we'll be doing same question by this method. So we'll be making the table like previous table. First is class interval. Then next is number of students. Then next is class mark. Okay, so this 3 columns same. First entry was 10 to 25. Next was 25 to 40. Next 40 to 55. Then 55 to 70. Then 70 to 85. Then 85 to 100. So number of students fi is denoted by fi. We have seen like same as direct method. This first 3 columns are same only. Okay. Then here I am writing summation fi. There also we can make the same table. Okay. And class mark. How do we find class mark? Upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2. So it is 17.5. Similarly, all the data which we have written before, same will be written. 55 plus 70 by 2 is 70 plus 85 by 2. Okay. Now next thing here is di. Di is xi minus a. Okay. So here actually जो क्लास मार्क है उसमें से कोई बीच की एक वैल्यू will choose as assumed mean. Any one value will choose as assumed mean either 47.5 और 62.5. दोनों में से किसी एक को assumed mean choose करके इसको a बोलते हैं. Okay. Now di is xi minus a. That means di here is 17.5 minus 47.5. So it is minus 30. Similarly, okay, it will be next one will be 32.5 minus 47.5. It will be minus 15. 47.5 minus 47.5. It will be 0. 62.5 minus 47.5. So it is 15. Then 77.5 minus 47.5, that is equal to 30, and 92.5 minus 47.5, that is equal to 45. Okay. Okay. So first we found di. Di is xi minus a. A was assumed mean which we have chosen 47.5. Okay. So xi minus a minus 30. This way we got all the values. Then we have found fi di. Till here it is clear. Is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
till here? ठीक है.
Chosen A as 47.5.
A को 47 पॉइंट या दोनों बीच की वैल्यूज में से कुछ भी एक वैल्यू चूज कर सकते थे. तो 6 एंट्रीज है, तो बीच की कौन सी होगी, या तो थर्ड एंट्री या फोर्थ एंट्री. तो either choose 47.5 or 62.5. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll use this formula. Xi or x bar is actually mean. Okay. Is equal to A plus summation fi di upon summation fi. A is assumed mean. हमने कितना लिया था assumed mean 47.5. Summation fi di. Summation fi di is 435. Okay. So this will be 435. Okay. And summation fi, sum of all frequencies, this you can add actually. So this will be 30. So upon 30. Okay. When you will do this calculations, it will be 47.5 plus, when you will divide 435 by 30. So it is 14.5. 435 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. But it is divided by 10 also. So it is 14.5. 47.5 plus 14.5, that is equal to 62. So this is the answer. Okay. This was the answer which we got by direct method also here. And this same answer we got here by assumed mean method. So assumed mean method ke liye, the formula which you have to remember is this. Okay. X bar equals to A plus summation fi di upon summation fi. Okay. And di equals to xi minus A. Okay. Is it clear to everybody?
Ma'am, can you show the previous slide again?
Previous or next one?
Ma'am, next one. Written.
Written. Okay. So, okay, is it clear to everybody?